It's a sad day. We're dropping off the V. Gonna get some bolt-ons done.
Now I gotta try to figure out what the fuck.
See, this is why you get a full-size sedan and not.
This is why I should have kept my damn RX. That's what I should have did. Watch out. Drop them bitches. Drop that shit.
Yeah. Oh man. He told me he would try to get to it today. If not, tomorrow. He said, I told you to drop it off in the morning. I said, yeah, I know. I was tired and I had stuff. Ooh. Someone has to take a sacrifice, and it's not going to be me. It ain't going to be me. Not it.
How the fuck did you do this?
How did I do this?
Yeah. Where you laying down? Oh, you need to see that.
Yeah.
I'll move my seat because you're not even.
No, go ahead. You're the driver. I'm going to sit on the dash. Don't worry. Oh, let me get on that dash. Okay. Let me know. Believe in it. We don't have a name for her yet, but we believe in her. Now we're riding in this old school. Oh, first time leaving this car. I'm kind of nervous. I never leave this car anywhere. First time. It's like.
Did you just call my car old school?
No.
Who are you talking about?
Huh?
Who are you talking about?
I don't know.
Full of shit.
First time leaving this. Got the car back. We'll start it up. Oh. Got my baby back. It didn't. He charged me $50 for clamps because I guess he said it didn't come with clamps. And I knew it didn't come with clamps, so he clamped everything up perfect, 100%. So you got to see. The charge pipe on, aluminum charge pipe. Yeesh, everything in there. Clean.
I wonder what he had to do. He had to take out a whole bunch of shit.
I probably had to take this stuff out. He said it was done yesterday. Yeesh. Step 1 to full bolt-on. This too, yep. Down here too. The boost pipe. This pipe here too. Sheesh. Huh? Both of them. And I told him in like a month or so I'll come back for my down pipe. You think it'll sound different? Probably not. Yeah, bro. Oh, I'm like, this is tight ass spot. It's not gonna make no difference sound-wise yet.
But it didn't sound like that though.
At first?
Yeah.
Should look clean though. I need a wash. She should look so good here. We got the car back. Charge pipe, boost pipe, everything's on. In like 2 weeks, we're going to do the muffler. And then 2 weeks is that, we're going to do the down pipe in tune. And then we're basically done performance-wise. So then we got to do lowering springs and rims and whole 9 yards. But he got the big body today. But this is the car. We're done. Yeah, can't wait. Guys, you think GM has a stand a chance now against BMW Airlines? I don't think so. I think the Lexus is now currently dead. It's been dead, but now I feel like it's officially dead. I'm gonna put the clip right here. of the what? And don't say anything about the it's knocking, it's lifters. It's an injector. They're injectors. They're loud on BMWs. Look up any BMW with their injectors. It's hella loud. The B58, hella loud. The injectors on these BMWs are hella loud on these newer BMWs. Stop it. Clock it. Clock it. But they got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what, yo. These shits are fucking tough. The M.
This is black. You know what I'm saying? The M color is good stuff.
This is fire. So this is the helmet. These are the gloves. You know, we're ready to go, ready to start riding. It's riding season right around the corner. It's getting nice out. Feel me? Turn the car around. So this is how we sitting right now. I'm gonna give you a little rundown on this car. So basically, let me pop the hood. Don't mind the dirtiness, it's been sitting, but it's a 5-speed manual, 325 CI, right? And basically we have intake, tune, is a full straight pipe from the headers. So basically full FBO, basically. I redid the whole cooling overhaul, thermostat, water pump, everything cooling wise. I changed because these are notorious to go on these cars. I have max poo-poo rod coils all around. Have max speeding rod, rear camber arms. If you can see this full straight pipe got going on. I got into the blast pipe. And then I have, what else? Basically that's it. You can see the wrap, but we're about to pull the wrap soon and probably paint it, but I don't know yet. That's in the air. Have the M-Tech 2 front bumper. Upgraded brakes. Drilled and slotted rotors all around. I'm trying to think of what else I did. We have the whole music set up going on. Have the sub and amp and stuff in the rear. What else is done to this car? Yeah, I don't know. It's been so long. I think I went through majority of the stuff I have done to the car. But what's next for the car? It's a new side skirt, new rear bumper, paint, rims, and then basically much done. I want to do KW coils on this all around to make sure it rides perfectly and have it sit right. But until then, we're gonna run with the Max Pooper rods. There's a stage 1 tune on here, so I think I'm pushing like 220 or whatever the 330 is pushing stock. That's what this is pushing stock for this. So that's what we're pushing on this. It's a little beater, the first car I worked on. So I'm about to start washing it, and yeah, it look clean, nice.
Last 6 months.
And got the car clean. You know, I'm still looking for a rear bumper for this car. You know, gotta look for one. Clean. I'm about to move it back to the spot to get some footage for y'all. But look at that blue. Oh my God. If you see on the camera how it looks, Shaheen. Oh my God. This is the first time this car's been on YouTube.
It looks crazy like person.
Look at that. Look at that shine. Oh my God. I know, right? So many, if it wasn't so many imperfections. But once I roll it into the spot and the sun's hitting it, oh my God. So this is the car. It's sitting pretty. So basically, we put the bumper on. We raised up this side because it was like dumped on the side. Raised the side up, put the front bumper on, washed it. Got it looking pretty. Just so go right back in the garage and sit for another month. So I'm ordering the side skirt. I'm gonna order the grills. I'm gonna order the new front badge tonight. So that's gonna be the next video, me putting everything on when it comes in. So with this car at least, it's because I have content coming for the other car. So hope you all enjoyed the content with this. There's a lot more to come, car meets and a bunch of stuff. So and if you want to see this car, races slow IS, let me know down below in the comments. But until then, O'Neal out. Peace.